Rating Starbucks branches. Ortigas Extension branch. Ito yung pasado. Ang ganda kasi may drive-thru. Tapos ang ganda ng curve ng exterior. Tignan nyo naman yung curves nitong branch na to. Napakaganda. Ang ganda nung parang alon-alon effect na yan. Very unusual sa mga branches na nag-incorporate sila sa mga curve lines eh. Saka what I love about this branch, ang ganda ng landscaping. Ayan o, may smoking area sa labas o. Ganda o. May tao. Tapos sa labas o, ang ganda ng wood panels na accent wall. Para siyang WPC yung ginamit. So may PWD ramp din. Ito yung main entrance. So hindi siya directly accessible dun sa along the highway, so may privacy pag going to the main store entrance. So for the exterior, I would rate this 5 out of 5. Tingnan natin yung interior. The interior, upon entrance ay yung bar area. Ang luwag. Maganda yung color scheme dito. Very warm and neutral tones yung ginamit nila. Parang may accent lang na dark wood, then actually parang puro shades of brown siya, tapos may konting hint of green. Ang laki ng branch na to. Kasi ito yung toilet. Wala lang sigurong focal point yung interior, pero ito may accent wall, may artwork. Mahilig yung Starbucks sa ganyan eh, may artwork. So, ang daming seating area. So, for the interior, I would rate this 4.5 out of 5. Tignan natin yung toilet design. Ayaw, di ma! Very basic yung toilet design. Nakakatawa mo yung tao dun sa anin. Very basic. Nothing special with toilet. For me, 3 out of 5. Overall, siguro I would rate this branch 4.7 out of 5.
Wow.
Follow for more.